Hi there, welcome to this yoga flow for balance. We're going to start off in the middle of our mat, standing. Reaching your arms up, extended mountain pose, look up, breathe in, forward fold, breathe out. Halfway lift. Hands on the mat. Step into plank position. Lower your knees and slowly lower down to the mat. Upward facing dog, pushing your arms up. Downward facing dog, pushing your hips up. Ground your hands and feet. Feel free to bend your knees. And let's walk out your dog, bending one leg at a time. And slowly walk your hands to your feet so you're in a forward fold at the back of your mat. Grab your opposite elbows. Sway from side to side, nodding your head, making sure your entire upper body is relaxed. Slowly rolling up into a standing position, reaching your arms up. Forward fold, halfway lift, breathing in, walking your hands forward and make your way back down to downward facing dog, and slowly roll into plank and push back into down dog. One more time, rolling your spine into your plank position and rolling back. One more time, like a wave, rolling into plank and then rolling back into downward facing dog. And walk your feet up. Once you get to a forward fold position, halfway lift, hands up your shins and forward fold. Rolling up to a standing position, reach your hands up and sit into chair pose. Pulling in that belly and lower as much as you can. Feeling your muscles activated and forward fold. Halfway lift, breathe in. High to low push-up, jumping back. Upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Warrior one, right side, right foot between your hands, and take your hands up. Step back into your plank position and switch legs. Left leg between your hands, warrior one. Ground that back foot. Lowering your hands back into plank. Slowly lower down for chaturanga. Upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Bend your legs. Walk out your dog. Up on your toes, bend your knees and hop towards the top of your mat. Take your feet hip distance apart and your hands under your feet for gorilla pose. Release your hands and slowly roll up to a standing position. Eagle on the right side. Right leg goes over top of your left leg. Right arm binds underneath the left. Option to just grab your opposite shoulders. Squeezing your thighs in. Shoulders up and down your back. Release back to stand. Eagle on the left side, left leg goes over top, left arm underneath. Really find your balance and your drishti in this position. And release, reaching your arms up. Eagle on the right side. Making sure that bottom foot is activated. And slowly lower your shoulder to your knee for sleeping eagle. Coming back up, slowly unravel and make your way into airplane pose. So your right leg extends back, flexing the feet. Your arms are along the side of your body. Reaching back up, coming back into standing position. Eagle on the left side. Slowly lower your elbows to your knees, sleeping eagle. And slowly unravel, kicking your leg back. Arms along the side of your body. Really grounding through that bottom leg. And lowering that leg back into standing position. Take one breath here. And take your feet out, hip distance, coming into a malasana squat, so turning out the feet. Hands to your heart center. You can also bow your head to stretch out the back of your neck. Release your hands, coming back into your forward fold. Bend your right leg, left arm reaches up towards the sky. Switching sides, bend the left leg, reach your right arm up. Release your hands, slowly rolling up. Standing leg raise on the right side, so you can grab your big toes and extend your leg forward, or you could just grab the knee. Finding that balance, reaching the opposite arm up towards the sky. Release that foot and take your dancer's pose. So you're grabbing the ankle, and then you're taking your leg up. And slowly lower that front hand, still grabbing the back leg. And release down, rolling up to stand. Standing leg raise on the left side. Extend it forward, reach your right arm up. Release that leg, take it behind you into a dancer's pose. Slowly taking that front hand to the mat. Releasing your leg, forward fold, slowly rolling up. Reach your arms up, forward fold. Halfway lift. Step back into downward facing dog. Take your elbows to the mat and slowly walk your feet towards your body. And we're going to do some elbow stands. Option to just lift your leg up as much as you can and see if you can balance whatever you need in this position. Right now I'm just lifting the right leg and then the left leg just to test my balance. And make your way back into downward facing dog. Roll into plank and lower to the mat. Right cheek lands on the mat to release your entire body. Take the left arm out next to you and then roll over to that left side. Your right leg goes over top, reaches the ground. Coming back to center, the other side, so reach that right arm to the side and roll over to that right shoulder. Coming back to center and push back onto your hands and knees position, and we'll do a couple of cat and cows. So releasing the spine and now push back into your child's pose. Breathing in and out, acknowledging yourself for all the work that you've done today. Reach your arms to the right side. Reach your arms to the left side. And come back to center. Taking that final resting position. Roll up, reaching your arms up, hands to your heart center. Breathe in and let it all go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.